Discover the peace and tranquility of Sunset Ridge in Alvarado, Texas. Known for its friendly people, gorgeous sunsets, and laid-back lifestyle.
Located off Highway 35W and 67, residents can enjoy easy access to the city while reveling in peace and privacy in a spacious and comfortable Bloomfield home. You're in great position to take advantage of both DFW Airport and Love Field. You're also within 30 minutes of downtown Fort Worth and 45 minutes of downtown Dallas or Arlington.
Sunset Ridge will feature Bloomfield's Classic Series floor plans, ranging from 1,600 to over 4,200 square feet. And like every Bloomfield home, you get more luxury standard features at the base price than any other builder. When you're in a metropolitan mood, restaurants, retail, and entertainment opportunities are just a few miles away in Burleson, Mansfield, and Fort Worth.
Sunset Ridge is in close proximity to Six Flags Over Texas, AT&T and Globe Life Stadiums, Alvarado Lake, and Pirate Cove Water Park.
Students will attend Alvarado ISD, with all the schools being within minutes for an easy commute.
Come experience the small town atmosphere and find your dream Bloomfield home at Sunset Ridge today.